Oh, okay. So I was on these Instagram streets the other day, and one of my favorite blogger friends had posted a setting deep conditioner and was raving about how it was so nice, it was moisturizing and everything, how it lives up to its name. And I'm like, okay, I need to try this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ezinne here. If you're not new, welcome back and thanks for coming back to see my video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a setting deep conditioner. Let me just show you. So it's called the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner, and it contains avocado and Australian jojoba oil, and it also says here that it's paraben free. So this is 8 fluid ounces of about 236 ml content. So yeah, let's just jump right into the review. So it's not news that anybody who has type 4 hair is constantly looking for products that are moisturizing. So I was on Instagram some time ago and then I came across this mini review that one of my blogger friends had done. Her name is Chidalu. In the caption under the post, she said that this deep conditioner was a very good one and it left her hair moisturized and it lives up to its name and all of that. And then on her rating, she rated it an 8 out of a 10. So I'm like, okay, that sounds really good to me. I should probably give it a try. So I didn't buy it immediately. I actually had already forgotten until I was shopping sometime in December last year and I came across it and it cost less than 3,000 naira, so I thought it would be a great time to just make a purchase. And coupled with the fact that we're still in the Harmattan / winter season, and what better time to test the moisturizing efficiency of a deep conditioner if not at this time when everywhere is so dry, right? Yeah, that's why we're here today. Already, I washed my hair last night and I just, left it in this large twist. Actually washed it in twist and I left it in this twist. So I'm going to go right ahead to start deep conditioning. All right, so let's roll. When you look at it, there's this circular lid covering it on here. To open it, you simply lift this portion of it like this. Oof, that needs to look like a struggle. So it says lift here, remove label, and squeeze to dispense. All right, so I've lifted, I've removed label, so only thing left is to squeeze to dispense. Although this looks like it's clogged or something, I'm not sure, but let's just squeeze and see. Oh wow, nice. Packaging, super awesome. Not having to struggle to open this is a blessing. And the fact that you just have to squeeze to get your product out and it doesn't leave it messy or anything. It just looks same way it did before I squeezed it. All right, let's go ahead and see how it performs. So I'm going to deep condition my hair in these sections that I washed them in. So what I'm going to do is just clip these other parts away so they don't get in the way of our deep conditioning process. You can see that I'm not starting on soaking wet hair, and that's because I really want to put this product to the test. So I'm going to just spritz some water before applying it. Grab the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist, squeeze a little quantity, and apply it to our current section. Okay. Another thing I just observed, this product smells. God, I don't know how to explain. It smells so good. guys. Smells so good, so good. Wow. Whoa. Okay. For want of time, what I'm going to do is, instead of deep conditioning it in individual sections like this, I'm going to just pair up two sections and detangle it as one. So I'll make these two like this into one section and make these two into one section as well, so we do it faster. So we're just going to repeat the previous steps I took. Guys, I think this product has come to stay. Let's keep going. Last one. As far as moisture goes, I think this product is a keeper. So now we're going to test its tangling properties and see if that also measures up to how moisturizing it is. Stay tuned. Starting with the very first section we apply the product to, which is this one here, let's go ahead and detangle and see how well that goes. Wow, nice. So let's try a larger section and see. It's going pretty well too. Okay. Nice. I'm sold. I am completely sold on this product. Like, it's moisturizing, makes detangling super easy. What else could a girl ask for from a deep conditioner? I'll go on and detangle the remaining 3 sections, rinse the product off, then come right back here to give you my final thoughts on this product. Ooh. So I've rinsed out the product and I'm just going to share my final thoughts on this product with you guys in a minute, in a second actually. Just take this off my shoulder. Yeah, so overall, I would say that this Aussie 3-Minute Moist Miracle Deep Conditioner is a great product, and here's why. You know, when you see something the first time, you establish a relationship just from what you've seen before you get to know it in depth. So it has a really great packaging. Like, the appearance is really catchy and everything about it is just cute and nice fitting. So I like that about the product. So packaging is a 10 for me, because aside the fact that it's really attractive and comes in a very cute bottle like this, the fact that you can dispense this product without getting anything messy, I find that very awesome. Like, it's the first time I'm using a product that has such great packaging. It's amazing. Onto the performance of the product. The moisturizing effect is really great. I would give the moisturizing property a 9. So according to the brand, it says, work this product into clean wet hair. As the formula works its magic. Wait 3 minutes and rinse out. So I didn't exactly time it when I started application, but I'm pretty sure that it stayed over 3 minutes, because, you know, I applied section by section and came back to the tangle and everything. So that's pretty much more than 3 minutes. So yeah, I like the fact that they are true to their words and the product performs just as they say it would. And yeah, so the caveat, however, is that this product does contain silicone. So if you're one of those people who do not tolerate products that have silicones in them, stay away. This is not for you. So I think that's the only thing that looks like a bother to me. Aside that, everything else is fine. Great product, great packaging, great smell, great price point. So if you've tried this product and you'd like to share how it worked for you, please feel free to leave me a comment below. I'd like to know how it worked for you and if you are still in the business of using it. So yeah, I'm going to end this video now. It's just a video of me reviewing this Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner, and I guess my job is done here. So see you guys in my next video.